Parable of the Old Man and the Young, by Wilfred Owen. So Abraham rose, and clave the wood, and went, and took the fire with him, and a knife. And as they sojourned, both of them together, Isaac the firstborn spake and said, My father, behold the preparations, fire and iron. But where the lamb for this burnt offering? Then Abraham bound the youth with belts and straps, and builded parapets and trenches there, and stretched forth a knife to slay his son. When lo, an angel called him out of heaven, saying, Lay not thy hand upon the lad, neither do anything to him. Behold, a ram caught in a thicket by its horns. Offer the ram of pride instead of him. Offer the ram of pride instead of him. Offer the ram of pride instead of him. Offer the ram of pride instead of him.
Holy shit, holy shit. Why are you covered in blood? What happened to Sam? Did he fall down the mountain? Did he hurt himself with that axe? I knew it was too dull for you guys to use.
Some big wolfy looking thing wanted dinner.
Wait, something tried to eat you? How are you not freaking out? How did you even get back here with a wolf trying to chomp down on you?
I don't really know. I gave it some tender ribs with my foot a few times and it seemed to run off. Just calm down and help me carry Sam. Grab his legs.
Yeah. I guess I better check out Sam then. I don't really know how to say this, but Sam's gone. His throat was torn out. It looks like you kept the wolf's dinner away from him for no reason.
Well, no. There's no way I would have let that damn wolf eat my friend, even if I had known he was already dead. We're not animals.
So Abraham rose, and clave the wood, and went, and took the fire with him, and a knife, and a knife, and a knife, and a knife, and a knife.
We don't abandon our friends when things get dangerous, and we most definitely don't leave them to be eaten while we run. We fight for each other, and we get to survive together.
Casey, I know how you feel right now, and I know we aren't like normal animals, but we are animals, and animals need food. We haven't eaten in almost a week, which means if we keep going on like this, we're going to die.
What are you saying?
I'm saying we need to survive.
You can't actually be saying what I think you are.
I think we need to eat Sam or we are going to die out here before help gets here, if help ever gets here.
That's insane. Why would you even think of something like that?
Possibly because we haven't had any food for almost a week now. We can't keep going on like this.
No. Sam was our friend. He was my best friend. We can't eat him. I'm not going to let you do that.
Look, we will not survive for very long if we cannot eat. The small animals have all gone back into hiding because of this godforsaken blizzard, and it's still too early in the spring to find any edible plants, even if we could find them under all of this snow. The only food we've been able to find are these books, which we also need for the fire, and those evergreen berries that you didn't wait to eat, and they made you sick as hell for the next whole day.
I know we can't keep going without food, but we don't have to eat Sam. Okay, there's gotta be more food around here somewhere, okay?
Casey! You need to stop. You're just gonna wear yourself out. There are only two sources of food in this cabin. These books that we also need for the fire, and Sam.
No. Alice, we're not animals.
My father, behold the preparations, fire and iron. But where the lamb for this burnt offering? But where the lamb for this burnt offering? But where the lamb for this burnt offering? But where the lamb for this burnt offering?
We're people, and people don't eat each other.
Casey, it doesn't matter if we're humans or not. We are going to starve to death if we don't do something. We need to do anything we need to do in order to survive. And if you won't do something to keep us alive, then I will.
Well, so I guess that means eating our friend, right? Reducing ourselves to something less than human, turning ourselves into monsters? Sam saved my life out there. We can't just do that, Sam. How would we go back to his parents? What would we tell them?
Casey, if we don't do this, we will never get to see Sam's parents again. We will die out here.
Then Abraham bound the youth with belts and straps, and builded parapets and trenches there, and stretched forth the knife to slay his son. And stretched forth the knife to slay his son. Stretched forth the knife to slay his. The knife to slay.
Wait. Hold on. You can't just cut him up like that. No.
I told you. We have to take whatever meat we can get off. What are you doing, Casey?
I told you, I'm not going to let you touch Sam.
Casey, I don't want to hurt you, but if you're going to make us starve to death, then I will.
Listen, even with that knife, you know you're not strong enough to overpower me. You're not going to get to Sam.
Fine then. Starve to death for all I care. But don't pull me down with you.
Wait. Hold on. Listen, I promise. I'll get us out of here as soon as I can. Please, don't eat our friend. I'll find something for us to eat, and then we can try making a signal for search parties. The storm is over, so they're bound to come looking for us now.
What good are your promises? They what got us into this mess in the first place. First, you promised that we'd simply have a fun weekend upstate and that everything would be safe. Then you promised to take care of Sam and I when we got lost, promised to find food after we ran out, and it has been 6 days. Your promises mean nothing if you can't follow through on them.
But I can do it. I will do it. Listen, I will make sure we get out of here. What was that?
It sounded like something struck the side of the cabin.
Did that wolf thing follow us all the way here? No way.
Maybe you should go check it out, see if it's something we can eat.
Well, why would I go check it out? I know that you're just going to try to eat Sam the moment I leave.
You're going out there because you promised that you would find us food and take care of us. So you're going to prove that you're capable of doing what you said you would. You're going out there to prove that you're not a liar.
How do I know you're not going to try to eat Sam the moment I leave through that door?
Will it make you feel better if I promise not to touch him?
Fine. Don't you dare touch Sam. I'll be right back.
When lo, an angel called him out of heaven, saying, Lay not thy hand upon the lad, neither do anything to him. Behold, a ram caught in a thicket by its horns. Offer the ram with pride instead of him. But the old man would not so, but slew his son, and half the seed of Europe, one by one. Wilfred Owen was killed in France on November 4th, 1918, exactly 1 week before the armistice that ended World War I. He was 25 years old.
Oh no.